This is a 3-month follow-up of my InkBird pool sensor install. This thing really likes to eat batteries. So let's change out the batteries and see if it was just a bad set or if the InkBird just gobbles them up. Follow up for the InkBird pool temperature sensor that I've got out in the lake. I put it in on July 18th and it is now October 1st. And look at that. It's not transmitting anymore and the battery is reporting almost dead. Now it should be noted that I had a temperature sensor, another pool temperature sensor out there, a cheapy one, and the batteries lasted 2 years. And this AccuRite has been out there for quite a while also, running on 2 AA cells, and it's ticking along fine. So it's been there for over a year. So we're going to go out there and we're going to replace the batteries here for this InkBird, but I am not impressed with the battery longevity here. I was hoping for at least a year without having to deal with it. We're going to bring out some Kirkland batteries, and I've used these and they should be pretty good. And these are dated 2028. So we'll replace the batteries with these and then we'll see how long they last for the second set. The InkBird is underneath here, the dock. We have to pull it out. We'll see how slimy it is and replace the batteries. Okay, you can see how hard the lake is on these things. It shows the battery. It is almost out, so see if we can clean it up a bit and change the battery. Okay, we cleaned it up and opened it up. It's completely dry in here, which is definitely a good thing. I just wish the battery wouldn't have gone out so fast. So let's change the battery out. Okay, these had Duracells in them. I'm going to check the date on the Duracells. You know what? They're March 2030. So they're even newer or longer date codes than the ones I'm going to put in here. So let's replace them and see how it performs. Okay, we got the Kirkland batteries in there, the date codes, and it's showing full bars on the battery. You can see that. All right, so we got back in there. Let's seal it up and put it back in the water. Okay, we're all sealed up, ready to go. I put the taut line hitch with 2 extra half hitches on it. Now I'm going to tie it up underneath this dock. Okay, operation is complete. Should probably pull that in a little bit so it's not floating out there for the fishermen to get. Okay, as you can see, temperature is now transmitting again. We got full bars on the battery. It's October 1st. We'll come back and check it again and see how long this battery life lasts for the second set. I thought this was going to be the end of the video, but one day later, to my surprise, I checked the battery level and this is what happened. Okay, this is only one day after we changed the battery, and it's already down 1 notch on the battery indicator. Okay, I decided just to let it roll and see how long it'll last. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll do an update in a month or two. Thank you.